Alrighty guys, here is the Muddn185 sponsored by Vessel Power Sports IRS Honda class. I placed third, so the videos I'm going to show you are the first place video, the second place video, and then the third place video, which was my run. My second run was faster. You were allowed to do up to 2 runs if you bought in for 2 spots, I guess. But it was a lot of fun. The Terache Aztex did great. I was extremely happy to be able to place without portals on a much smaller machine and smaller tire than everybody else. Just to document my setup, I had 33-inch Terache Aztecs, double gear reduction with a 35 in the front, 12.5 in the secondary. My arched and raked rear control arms, and a 2-inch front bracket lift. Otherwise, this machine is pretty much stock. 4-wheel drive diff lock the whole way, and I did a kind of a neutral drop, or I guess you call it a clutch dump into second gear off the start. Was in first gear until I got to the little hill, hit second gear again, and then back to first gear.
Let's go, let's go. Stick to the left, stick to the left.
You got dug out the battle on the left side. I don't know. That was more like a mile. The problem is I used to do this on a while back there. So there was a guy came through here and dug it out on the kind of right side pretty bad. I gotta go back on the right side. It didn't work. Yeah.
Our last IRS run, we got the SSS. Wash your mess. Wash your mess. Make your way up. You ready? You ready? Let's get it.
Good boy. You got this. Straight up, straight up.
Ready? You ready?
Alright, so those were the best 3 IRS runs, I think. I know those were the right guys. I'm just not sure if I had their fastest run. I think I did. It was a little chaotic. They weren't really announcing times, so you were kind of looking at your phone to figure out what your time was relative to other people. But yeah, there wasn't like a leaderboard or anything. But anyway, here's some other runs. It was a lot of fun. I wish the mud would have been a little bit thicker and a little more technical, maybe some more ruts. But it was still, a good time. Definitely want to go back out there again. And as you saw, Aztecs placed second and third. And so that's pretty good, considering, it's a very light all-around tire, and it's still this competitive in a bounty competition. So I was very happy about that.
I think people get stuck here.
That's why I tried to go that way, Tom.
And the last guy, he got stuck there too.
Next time I might run all the way on that side. You see how they're wheeling up like that? So obviously there were a lot more machines than I just showed here. I think there was like 20 something machines in the IRS Honda class. The next video I'm going to post is the solid rear axle class, followed by the side-by-side class, and then the unlimited. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and check out the Patreon page.